Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Hemingway Editor with AI workflows for readability, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Hemingway Editor on your computer. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the main text area where you will input your content. Prepare your document before pasting it into Hemingway. Copy your text from the original source. Paste the text into the Hemingway Editor's text area. Observe the color-coded highlights. Red highlights indicate complex sentences. Yellow highlights suggest simpler alternatives. Gray highlights show adverbs that can be omitted. Green highlights identify passive voice usage. Review each section carefully. Edit the text according to the readability suggestions. Aim for clear, concise sentences. Use the readability score as a guideline. Explore the formatting options available in Hemingway. Adjust headings, lists, and formatting for better structure. Check your word count if necessary. Export the revised document to your desired format. If you're integrating AI workflows, open your AI tool of choice. Prepare it for analyzing your text. Import the edited text from Hemingway into your AI tool. Analyze the content for tone, engagement, and clarity. Make additional adjustments based on AI feedback. Combine insights from both Hemingway and AI for optimal readability. Final review should ensure that your voice remains authentic. Save the document in the appropriate format for your needs. Your text is now ready for publication or sharing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.